Hi guys, because guys here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to try the 7-Eleven pumpkin cheesecake from the 7 Sweets line. So you guys can see this. So it's really cheap, 288 yen. Pumpkin cheesecake. Pumpkin cheesecake. I love cheesecake actually. Strawberry cheesecake is my favorite. Very basic. I like it thick. I don't like the fake type cheese. So we're gonna open this. We're gonna get a taste and get it on. I know. Very. Okay. Wow. Okay, so it comes with a little plastic toothpick with a little bowl there. On God. On God. On God. Yada yada yada. Okay, so we're gonna try. So first off, the texture. Can you take a seat? Can you see the texture? Okay, as you can see here, guys, it's got an cubes. The texture is actually quite cheesecake looking. Not much of a smell, but yeah, I can smell the pumpkin. It definitely smells like pumpkin. So I hope we're gonna go itadakimasu. Okay. Now this bud. Yo, this is fire, fam. Me nah lie up. I don't tell no lie when it comes to food. See, look at me. Look at that. Look at that. Do I look like I lie about food? Wow. It's like. I know it was an ASMR video. People, it's creamy. The texture, it melts in your mouth. It has all of the words that you'd associate with a cheesecake. A proper cheesecake. I mean, get your girl that treats you like 7-Eleven cheesecake. Oh my god, this is shot. This is it. That's video. Highly recommended. Go and get this right now from 7-Eleven because they have it's a limited time, Halloween special or whatever. But this shot. Now buy one more, some more. It never tastes so good. Sweet, just it's not too sweet, but sweet enough. The pumpkin is there, but it's an overpowering taste. It's just right, man. This will pair well with a pumpkin spice latte because I'm not a basic. But yeah, please, if you want to see me eat more Japanese snacks or foods, let me know in the comments down below. Watch the video, share it with your friends, comment on them something there. Support, get the merch. Shogunai, so I go. Shogunai is a very famous saying in Japan that means it can't be helped. That's how life goes. That's how it is. It's something you can't control. So in Jamaican parlance, I saw it go. Alright? Biggest guys in Jamaican YouTuber. Ikebasho. I'm out. This bad no blood fire. Me can't stop eating. Can't stop eating. I can't stop eating. I'm like fat bastard in it. Me. Oh.